Welcome back in the cooking kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Guys, we're back in the kitchen. Today we're gonna show you can make some Jamaican porridge, some porridge Caribbean style way, guys. You can do this at home, you can do it with the kids but if you're allergic to peanut, as I always say, you cannot have peanut porridge, but you can have cornmeal porridge. Today recipe is cornmeal, peanut and oats, both of them together, guys. I got some stuff on this side. I want to use them up and I just take them and make a nice lovely bowl of porridge. And one of the good friend of mine tasted the porridge and he was saying, Chef Ricardo, I thought, man, you are the best. So anyway, I'm happy that someone is really happy with my videos and my cooking, you know, and I want to say thank you guys for watching the video and thank you guys for leaving your comments. You're amazing and hopefully we can have the best and the better for you in the future. Thank you so much. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Remember, the cooking book is out. Get your copy. Thank you. Well, today we're gonna make some more porridge. On the menu again, you know, somebody saw the porridge recipe and said, Chef Ricardo, why are you doing this to us? So I said to them, don't worry yourself. We have a lot more recipe like this coming out. So basically, I'm gonna show you all of my ingredients which I'm gonna use. Right here is my little jug where I normally do my pea. I got a little bit of peanut left. Just a little bit, not even, just about roughly half handful of peanut. I got leave. And I decided I must make some more porridge. I need to use up this, and I'm gonna put some coconut milk inside of it. Just look at what's going on here right here, guys. As you can see exactly what's going on, I'm going to use a lot of coconut milk inside of this, roughly half tins of coconut milk inside of this porridge today, which I'm going to make. I need to use up all of these ingredients which I do have left. So roughly half cups of coconut milk, and I have some oats right here. I'm going to put a pack of oats inside of it. The next thing, little bit of milk. Might I say, with a chef you're going with my kitchen right here. I got some cornmeal, but we're not gonna put the cornmeal inside of the blender. We're just gonna blend this together. Might I say, with a chef you're going with in the kitchen. Alright, lovely. Lock up. Nice one. So this is finished blending. Lovely. So basically, this is my little jug which I normally pour my stuff in, and I'm gonna pour this, which I just blend up inside of this like this. Look at that, guys. Basically, every time in here, so I'm gonna wash out my jug. This is what I normally do. Put a little bit of milk inside of it. Simple shake it out. Lovely. I have half cups of cornmeal. I'm gonna pour straight inside of it. Give it a nice twist like this. I have some peanut left and I have some oats left, and I say I need to use it up. I have a little bit of coconut milk left and I need to use it up also. So right here I'm gonna put the camera straight in the pot with some water. Lovely and nice. So basically all the time I keep saying to you guys, remember I have only quarter pots of water inside of my pot. The reason why I normally do it this kind of way, guys, to show you that you can always correct your porridge if it's even thick. You can simply add some more milk to it. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna season the water. So basically I'm gonna put a little bit of teaspoon of vanilla. That's a teaspoon of vanilla right inside of it. Pinch of mixed spice inside of it. Cinnamon is a must. A pinch of cinnamon. Just a little pinch. You don't want to put too much, but cinnamon is very strong. The next thing we're gonna put half teaspoon of salt. Lovely. Ah, that man, that smell really nice. Basically, I have my So cinnamon, mixed spice, vanilla inside of it, salt inside of it. I have one nutmeg egg which I've just grated. I'm gonna pour straight inside of it. Nice one. Now season up the water. Next thing, we're gonna throw this oats and caramel which we just blend up, and peanut straight inside of it like this. We're not gonna waste any. Wow, what is that? Nice one. I wanna wash out my jug. Lovely and nice. So as I can see, so basically let's give this one a nice good 10 minutes to get boiled up and get thick. Nice one. So as you can see, it is cooking, and look how thick it is, guys. I always say to them, anytime you're making porridge and it's so thick, it is better to correct. So basically what we're gonna do is just add some milk to it like this. Roughly half cups of milk I add to it now. Look at that. That is just excellent and beautiful, because when the porridge is thick, it's very easy to correct more than when it is runny. When it's runny, you cannot correct it so easy, because what's gonna happen now, it's gonna be ending up, you have to wanna use corn flour, use flour inside of it to get it thick. But when it's like this, it's very easy to correct, guys. Look at this. Excellent. Really nice. So roughly half cups of milk I just add to it, and if it get thick a little bit more, I could always add some more inside of it. So I'm gonna just allow this for it to cook a nice good 15 minutes. Nice one. As you can see, the way the porridge looks so far, put a little bit more heat on it. It cooked now roughly 20 minutes now since I have it on the stove. Now I'm gonna use half can of sweet condensed milk to sweeten it, guys. Just make you guys can see what's going on right here. That's half can of sweet condensed milk. As you can see, put a little bit more heat on it. Lovely. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna taste it now to see exactly what's going on. Put a little bit more in it, not too much. It's really nice. So what I'm gonna do, just leave it for 4 minutes or 5 minutes just to make it sweetness cook inside of it. As you can see, look, it's so lovely and nice. Nice one. So now this is finished, guys. I'm gonna share it up, make you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is just really wonderful and nice, and this is just caramel, peanut, and oat porridge. So enjoy the recipe. Lovely and nice. So basically, I'm gonna just simple pour out some straight inside of the bowl like this. This is a proper porridge, guys. Trust me, yeah. Now when I'm talking about porridge, this is exactly what I'm talking about. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. Thank you so much for watching the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye. Go ahead now. What do you think about the porridge?
Very good, man. Very good, very good. Creamy, texture nice, nice flavors. Taste of nutmeg. Taste the nice sweetness in it, the peanut.
Proper porridge, eh?
Proper porridge, man. Proper porridge. Good.
Old Jamaican style.
Old Jamaican style porridge, man.
Definitely.
Healthy.
Exactly what we're talking about. Healthy. You know what I mean?
Porridge good. Very good, man. Very good. Nice textures. Look at the porridge.